Hey everybody, it's Chris from the Gunpla Network, and it's time for your Gunpla Network news and updates for October 2nd, 2018. We have quite a lot of news for this week, so let's get down to it. To start off, we have Bandai Namco acquires Bluefin and establishes a US toy company. This information can be found on gunplanetwork.com if you wish to read the article. Alright, let's get down to talking about the new kits that are coming out. Okay, to start off with, we have a Bandai Tease Ayame Figure Rise et al. Shown at the Japan Model Hobby Show 2018. This is a Figure Rise standard Ayame. We don't have a release date and we don't have a price as of yet. Next, we have a Figure Rise Mechanics Haro. This will be released December of 2018 for a price of 1,944 yen. We have another Haropla. This is the Mobile Haro. This will be released January of 2019 with a price of 1,296 yen. Next, we have an SDBDRX0 Maru Crime Crystal. This will be released January of 2019 at a price of 1,944 yen. Next, we have an HGBC 1144 HWS and SV set. This, we don't actually have a release date or a price for this yet. Next, we have an HGPG Charagai Awa Fujisawa. This will be, well, again, we don't have a release date or a price. Next, we have a HGBD 1144 Age 2 Magnum SV version. Again, we don't have a release date or a price for this yet. Next, we have the HGBD 1144 00 Sky HWS Trans Am Infinity. We don't have a date or a price of this yet. Next, we have the HGBD Doll Sarah. This will be released December of 2018 with a price of 2,592 yen. Next, we have the HGUC 1144 Gustav Karl Unicorn version. This will be released February of 2019 with a price of 2,400 yen. Next up, we have the HGUC 1144 R Jora. This will be released January of 2019 with a list price of 2,052 yen. Next up, we have the HGUC Narrative Gundam and Equipment A. This will be released November of 2018. We don't have a price as of yet. Next, we have the ReBorn 1100 Gun EZ. This will be released December of 2018 with a price of 3,780 yen. Next, we have the MG1100 Sinanju Stein NT version. We do not have a date or a price for this kit as of yet, as it was just shown at the Japan Model and Hobby Show 2018. Next, we have the MG1100 EXS/S. This is just an initial reveal, so we don't have any information regarding this kit. Next, we have a PG-1100 007 G. This will be released December of 2018 with a price of 24,840 yen. Next, we have a P-Bondi PG-160 Exia Clear Parts. This will be released December of 2018 with a list price of 3,780 yen. This is only an add-on. The PG Exia and the LED unit are sold separately. Next up, we have the P-Bondi HGUC Jegan D-Type Escort Team. This will be, well, actually we don't have a release date for this, but we have a price of 1,944 yen. Next, we have a P-Bondi RG-1144 Tallgeese II. This will be released December of 2018 with a price of 2,700 yen. And we have another P-Bondi. This time it's a Master Grade 1100 Haigin Shiki. This does not have a release date, but we have a price of 6,264 yen. Next, we have a P-Bondi HIRM 1100 Wing Gundam EW. This will be released February of 2019 with a price of 14,580 yen. That is quite the colony drop on your wallet. And finally, we have a MetalBuild Crossbone Gundam X1. This will be released January of 2019 with a price of 23,760 yen. And now it's time for Gunpla Network's top 5 builds. In 5th place, we have Oscar Jordy and his 1144 XI Gundam. In 4th place, we have Amos Tan and his Core Fighter. In 3rd place, we have Chandi Ui and his Exia Ash. Second place, we have Chris Pavelat and his Bale Yukimura. And in first place, we have Mindo and Musha Yamaguchi Warrior, Mouth of the Mountain. Congratulations to all the winners of the top 5 builds. And now it's time for your Gunpla Network updates. We have Mark unboxing the HGBD1144 H2 Magnum. We have a Gunpla Insider video with Scott Taylor, the Ghost of Xeon and owner of SMS. We have a review of the MG1100 GP01 full burner. We have a first look and lore of the HGBD1144 H2 Magnum. We also have a review of the HGBD1144 H2 Magnum. And finally, we have an unboxing of the MG1100 Exia Avalanche Dash. Please like, comment, and subscribe on our YouTube videos. Please visit gunplanetwork.com for your latest Gunpla-related news. And that's it for Gunpla Network's news update for October 2nd, 2018. As usual, keep building Gunpla!